If your videos are boring or messy, this one editing tip might just change your YouTube game. In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how to edit your YouTube videos with your mobile phone. And by the end of this video, you are going to learn how to edit professional looking YouTube videos, even if you are a total beginner. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So the app we are going to be using is VN. So you can click your Apple Store or your Play Store to download the app, or I'm going to drop the link to download it in the description of this video. So you see this VN video editor. So my own is right here, so I'll just click on open. So for you to start editing your video, the first thing you need to do is to add a project. So I'll click on this plot sign and then I'll click on new project and tap on it, and it will show me all the videos that I have. So let's say I want to edit this video. So meanwhile, as you come here, there are videos, photos, live photos and all that. So but right now I want to edit videos, and you should know that you can tap multiple at once, or you can just tap one after the other. You can always add again later on. So if you click on it right here, I will click on this arrow to import the video. So in order for it not to, the sound not to be double, I will just remove this sound, okay, so that it will not interrupt. So to remove sound, I'll just click on the video that I want to extract. So I'll just click on extract audio right here and delete it, so that it will not interrupt this our editing. So after you have import your clip, ensure that if you are filming YouTube video, you film it in landscape. And if you have not watched my video on how to film your YouTube videos with your mobile phone, you can watch that video. I will drop it in the description of this video. So now that our video is up and we have imported it, you can select multiple clips, just as I've said before. But later on, any clip you want to add, you can just click this plus right here to add. So let's say I want to add one more now. I'll first of all drag it to here, right? I can either click here to add more, or I can click from here to add more. So let's say I want to add more, I can click right here and then tap the particular video I want to import and click on import again. But because I don't want to import any other video, so I'll just click on it and delete. So anything you want to delete, you just click on it, you will see how to remove it or how to delete it. Okay, so how do we now edit our video? Let's assume this video now, as I'm editing it, I see where I do like or so I will just drag to that place and then come down below. Okay, you will see where it says cut or split. You can trim, or you can cut, or you can split. So I will just click on split, right? So if I split like this, I'll now click where I want to adjust. So if I click right here, I can drag like this to see where I do that or where I made mistake. Or I can just, if I click on it, I will drag it this way, I will split, and then I will just tap this particular one to delete it. So that is how to cut, slim, or trim your own clip that you have made mistake. And if you want to remove unwanted parts too, you can just drag it like this, maybe from the end. You can click right like this and drag it. Okay, you can return it back. And any previous editing that you make and you want to go back, you can just click right here, it will return. Anything you delete before, it will return. So that's how to cut, to remove unwanted, to adjust, to drag, and all that. So the next step I want to also show you is how to add text or title to your YouTube videos, or to your videos that you are editing. So if I just click right here, okay, anything you want to edit, let me say, like right now I want to say light, or whatever I want to say. I'll just click on this. Make sure you drag it to where you want to add it. Let this line be showing. So I'll now click on, let it be showing right here. Okay, so if I want to add text, I will just click on text right here. This T stands for text. So if I click right here, I will now click on title. So I can either click here to carry this heading and start typing, I can say light or whatever I want to do, or I can equally just click on text right here. When I click on text, I can just click on text right here and then click on title and select a particular pattern. So I can do either of it, but in either way you choose, you can edit it. So how do you edit it? Okay, let me say if I click right here, I can adjust this slide that I wrote. If I want it to stay for long, I'll adjust it this way, number one. Number two, if I want to edit it to make sure I change the light, the color and any other thing, I'll click on edit right here, and then I will click on color. If I want it this way, if I click this one, you see that it will change. Or if I want to change the background, if I want it to have background, I will do it this way. Whatever you want, you can just check around here. That's number one. If I want to change the font, the style of the writing, I can choose different fonts right here. You see that if I click, it changes. So that is how to change the font. So if I want to drag it, I'll just click on it and then drag it to this side. Okay, that's one. Another thing, again, if I want to add transition to it, okay, if I want to add transition to it, I'll click right here and then I'll click on this motion. So I'll now click if I want it to fade in, if I want it to split, if I want it to slide in. So you can choose whatever you want. If I want it to review, so whatever you want, you can do it. So the second one that I also put right here, you see, if I want something like this, I'll just click on it, and then if I tap on it, I will now write light or whatever I want to. Okay, if I want the second one, I'll just tap on it and say lesson. Whatever you want to do, you can just do it. You can also drag it and drop it. If you want it to stay for a longer period, you can do it this way. Even this one, if I want to transition it, I can just click on the motion. I will click on spin. Please, I'm not an English mistress, so pardon my language. Just manage it. The most important thing is that you are getting it. So if you are getting it, please let me know in the comment section. Give me a positive review. It means a lot to me. Like some of this thing I'm teaching you guys for free, I actually pay to learn. Okay, so if you want to add music, okay, if you want to add music, what you do, you click on this music symbol. You can click like this. You can add music right here. If you click on it, there are free music, and you can equally import your own music. Okay, you can click on new album to bring your music. You can also extract music from your video. If you are using Apple, you can also import it from iTunes and all that. If you, I don't used to add music in my videos. I don't know why. So, but that's how to add music. You can just check around here to add music. So let me say I want to add this music. Okay, let me click this. You tap on it and it will upload. So you now click on use. Okay, if you want to add beat or whatever, but I don't need to add it, I'll just click right here. So you see, that means this video have music. So what I will do is I can click on this fade. Okay, so I can fade it in or out, or whatever I want to do with the music in the video. So I'll just click right here, and you will also notice that it has a watermark. So you will just click on it right here and just remove it. You don't have to download it with watermark. It's free. The app is completely free, and you can even create even videos up to 30 minutes with it. Everything is free. I've been using it for some years now. Another thing I want to also show you is how to add transition in between your video. So let's say like here now that I have cut the video right here. If I want to add transition, I'll just click on this plus sign. If I tap on it, I will click right here. If I want it to fade in like this, or if I want it to zoom, okay, or if I want to zoom the second one, or if I want it to dissolve. So this is how you can just select different transition. Okay, so but if you want your video to have a professional look, ensure that if you are adding multiple transition, use the same transition. So the way they update it now, anyone I cut, it will automatically add. So but assuming I don't want it, if it automatically add, all I will do is I will click on it and this particular one, and click on none. Okay, and then click on this done right here. You see that means it's not here. You notice that if I cut here now, it's not there, but if I want to add it here, I'll just click and add the one I want to make use of, and then I'll click on done. So this is how to add transitions to your videos as you are editing it. Another thing again is you can also add filters or colors. So all you need to do, if you click right here, you can just go down and see this filter. So you can click here. Okay, if I want this video to be brighter, if I want it to be this way or that way or this way, but I kind of prefer here, so I'll add filter. But like what I used to encourage is that if you want to add filter, make sure you just add the filter from the beginning for all the videos before you start editing it. Or if you want it to look different, you can also do that according to your own choice. But the most important thing here is that you know that you can actually add filters to your videos as you are editing it. Another thing again is if you want to add voice over narration. Let's say now as I edit this video, okay, as I'm editing this video, there are some parts that I want to add voice over. Or I see a lot of people asking me, as you are making your video, that you are showing other things in the screen, how do you do it? Let's assume now as I'm raising my hand here, I'm trying to point a particular video that I want people to go and watch. So what do? I'll just come here, add this plus button, not here. If you add here, that means you are adding it to this place, but you add this plus button here. So I will click on it, and then I will click on import photos. So when I click on import photos, if I come right here, I will click on photos. When I tap on photos, so it's showing me photos, so I will just click right here, and then you see that it's covering. So I'll just both my hands, I'll use it to adjust it and then bring it here. So if I want it to transition to, I will just click on the motion and then tap on it, and then I'll put it this way. Okay, so I will now click on this check. So if I want it to stay longer, I will just come right here and drag it. Okay, and drag it. So this is how to add all this. So let's assume I have a screen recording that I want to also show by the side of this video. So how do I do that? I can just simply come again and click on this plus. When I click on it, I'll click on photos. When I click on it, if I come here now, I'll now click on videos because I already have screen recording. So let me check that I have this screen recording, this screen recorded video. So I will just click it right here. It will come up. I will tap on it and I will drag it to this size. So you see that I will just adjust it small if I don't want the beginning of the screen recording to show. Okay, so I can also click on it to, if let's assume that this one now, this screen recording, I want to add a voice on it, or there is a sound on it that I don't want, I'll just click on it too, and then come down and scroll to the side, and then I'll click on extract audio. So I'll now click to delete. That means every sound that was here will not be showing. Okay, so let's assume that I don't want it to be this lengthy. I can equally just drag it here and cut it like this, or anything I want to. So, and even the screen recording, if I want it to transition, I'll just click on it right here. I'll come to motion, and then I'll select the style that I want for it to come up. So you see that it will be showing by the side whatever I'm saying. So when you are filming your videos, these two ways is either, if you have only one phone, you first of all do your video, then you now do your screen recording before you now come and edit it. Or if you have at least two phones, to make it easier for you, you can do it that as you are making the video, you are also screen recording it with the phone on your hands. Okay, so that's how I do the screen recording thing. So let's assume that now, okay, let me just adjust here. Let's assume that right here I want to do voice over to this particular part. Maybe the video sound, I don't like it or something. If I just want to do voice over, let's assume you even import the video, you just want to do voice over on it. All you need to do, you will just click on the video. Okay, you first of all, in case there's any sound, you first of all just drag here and remove sound, extract sound. So because this one I've already extracted sound. Okay, so what I'll do is that if I just click the particular place that I want to do voice over on it, I will just click on it and then click on this music sign. So when I click on it, I'll now click on this record. Okay, if I click on this record, I will click right here and it will now start recording. Okay, it will start recording. This one will not record because I'm already screen recording the video, but that is how to add your voice over narration on top of your video. So you can any voice over that you add, you can still adjust it, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want to do. That is how we do voiceover. But in case you want a complete video showing you how to do voiceover aside from this one, showing you how to edit voiceover videos, you can do that, but it's just as simple as this. Just click on it. Okay, just click on that video, click on that side, add sound. Sorry, you now just click on this sound and then click on record, and then you now start recording. Okay, so now as you can see, that means now it's recording what I am saying. It's recording. If I'm okay, I'll just click on stop and I'll click right here, so it will be showing. So but now I'll delete it because I don't want it to obstruct this video that I am already editing. So if you are doing your video and you want to add the like and subscribe and all this, what you need to do is you are going to click this plus here. Okay, you tap on it, you now come here. This time around you click on elements, not photos. You click on elements, you can now come here and search, but because I'm frequently using it, that's why it's here. So you just click here and search whatever you want to search, either love, either laughter, either triangle, star to cover something, or you just simply need the subscribe and the like button. You can look for the one you want. Okay, so that is how to do it. So even the like and the subscribe, if you want it to transition, you just click on it and then come to the motion, click on it and then transition it the way you want it. Okay, even the like is the same. You can also add motion to it and choose the particular style that you want to make use of. So that is how you edit. Another thing again is, as you are editing, you can also be saving your content. Okay, you can also be saving your content. Okay, and then if you are exporting your videos, okay, you can click on, once you are done, okay, you see it right here, you can save here. This is where you click to save. You have to be saving your video regularly so that you will not lose anything that you have edited. Remember that anything you do that you want to go out of it, you want to go back, if you make mistake, you can click right here it will keep taking you back to original thing that you have done before. And then, so if you want to export your video, you are going to click on here, right here. So you can either choose manual or automatic. Here is automatic. If you want it manual, you can click here. But always, if you are exporting, try as much as you can to export it at 1080p over 30 and all that. So but because I don't want to export this video, but anyway, let's export it. So if I want to export it, I'll just click right here. So it depends on the how heavy the video is. So that's how you wait for it until it's 100%. So once it's saved like this, you can just click on done. You can even send it directly to your, you can upload it direct to your TikTok or anywhere you want to. But the most important thing is that after it's done here, you just click on done, so the video will automatically go to your gallery. So now that we have learned all this, here are extra tips that can help us in our editing journey. Number one, as you edit your video, ensure you are saving it frequently. Number two, try as much as you can to make your videos clean and simple. Number three, if you are adding any background music or sound to your videos, try as much as you can to put the sound of the music as low as possible. The last but not the least, if you are practicing editing as a beginner, start practicing with a shorter form of videos before you graduate to longer form. So this video is inspired by our 30 days YouTube challenge. I don't know when you are watching this video, but you can join in that challenge. We are learning how to create our YouTube videos, how to film our YouTube videos, how to edit our YouTube videos, how to optimize our YouTube videos, how to start earning on YouTube, even if you are not yet monetized and all that. So if all this interests you, don't forget to like this video, share the video, subscribe if you have not done so. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. The link to join the challenge will be in the description of this video. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.